Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, if you are a homeowner here in Canada, always or anywhere in the world, always keep an eye on your downspout like this. What do you think is wrong here? Here the wrong is the extension isn't connected to uh, the downspout pipe. This is dangerous. This is really dangerous. See this. Okay. Now what is the impact of this? It could be huge because during intense raining, instead of water coming out from here, it will fall anywhere here, maybe here, maybe here, just at the foundation walls. And because of this cover, I don't know why this cover has been installed, there's every chance water will accumulate even closer because they have some garden probably there. Now this could be dangerous because water can ease a high during very severe raining. Water could easily seep into the basement using these foundation walls, and it's not good for the property, right? So it's a very minor fix. You just need to attach it back. Unfortunately, I cannot go and do because I have no right to, and I do not even speak to the people, those who live in this property. I'm not sure, but probably they are living on rent. Okay. But in any case, it's for your safety, your house safety. Make sure on minor things like this. If you ignore such minor things, later on you could end up with lot of inconvenience and a very hefty bill to pay, because services like basement waterproofing, uh, drying your basement, these services are damn expensive here. So instead of that, put some general fixes that would really help you mitigate the cost. Okay, this is what I want to say, guys. Thanks for watching this, and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.